Hey, have you ever tried really reaching out for the other side? Yo, what's up, guys? It's Cameraman from Cameraman Gunpla Studio. And today, I got here a Reborn 100p Bandai VIGNA ZIRAH. And this is a red model kit here. And to be honest, I already reviewed a lot of 100 or Reborn 100 kits, particularly the VIGNA Gina and just the VIGNA Gina and the I forgot that model kit. It's the Gone Easy. Yes, the Gone Easy. So they are small scale 100 kits, and this one has. Well, there's no difference with the VIGNA Gina in terms of the articulation, the build, and the function of the joints. So this is just a variant, something like that. It's, I think, a variant for the VIGNA machines. So there's a VIGNA Gina 1 and 2, and this one is the VIGNA ZIRAH from the Jupiter Cosmos or Crossbone Vanguard group from that Gundam series, which I am not a fan of. Anyway, let's talk about the aesthetics of this. This is a red kit. To be honest, this is a boring kit. I am not that fan of pure red kits because it really looks dark in the shelf, so it doesn't catch any presence inside the shelf if you have those dark colored shelf. But even though this stands out, if you're going to put it beside those white model kits like the RX-78 here, so still it will not be that appealing. The color is not that appealing. So yep, we got here the size comparison already. So VIGNA ZIRAH here is a bit smaller than the average 1/100 scale kit from the UC Century, which is the Gundam RX-78-2. So the Crossbone Vanguards or the Gundam F91 or whatsoever series, they made model kits or mobile suit compact into smaller frames for faster mobility. Okay, so in the head here, the head is really cool. You have an option whether you put the Gundam like face or the visor face for variant. So we got the Gundam and the visor face variant. What I did is I combined it. So this V fin here is for the Gundam face, and instead of the Gundam eyes, I chose the visor type. So this is a Gundam visor type. So it's a mutation already of the VIGNA ZIRAH. So the arms here, we got the same style of VIGNA Gina shoulder armor, except for it got some tubes here, gray tubes, and we got this gray structure there. The hands really looks like the VIGNA Gina also, and for the shield, it's a VIGNA Gina style of shield, even in the feet here. But I much like the feet or the legs here. It got this vents on the sheen, and the feet, to be honest, you got the option of using the red instead of this one. This one is the original color scheme from the box art, so I still choose the original scheme. And what's new about this VIGNA ZIRAH here is it got this kind of wing with some cannon feature. So if we're going to remove it from the backpack. So let's remove it in the backpack. So we got here this kind of gun. So it has this mobility here. We got the articulation here, and it can move forward like that. And if you're going to deploy it, need to straighten this up just like that, and this one also just like that, and need to deploy this. But unfortunately, to be honest, this is a very stiff part. I don't want to open this since I didn't my bad, I didn't sand the peg. Supposed to be this can be opened just like that. Okay, and can deploy those handles. There we got the handle here where the VIGNA ZIRAH can hold it like that. Also this one, let's try opening this. Okay, so not so forceful. Okay, and let's deploy these handles here. Okay, and let's try to attach it just like that. Okay, so we got this mechanism here like this. Okay, and pull this up the shoulder. So I didn't focus on the articulation of this kit because this is just the same with the VIGNA ZIRAH that I reviewed before. Anyway, we got beam sabers attached on the butt, and we got here boosters on the back. So there we got the deployed guns. It's like this same with the, I forgot that Gundam F91 with this kind of weapon, Gundam F91. So yep, it's the same. And there we can angle those hands for example, he's shooting with the rifle like that. So it's like Freedom Gundam style. There. So how about if we compare it with the big Gundams or model kit? So I got here the Sinanju, unfinished Sinanju from Comet Industry. So it makes the VIGNA ZIRAH so small compared with the Sinanju. 1/100 scale. Okay, so later I will review this after I finish all the weapons. Okay, so there we got the VIGNA ZIRAH. What's inside the box of this, which I am not that fan of because of the Bandai excess parts. So those excess parts can be used with the VIGNA ZIRAH. It's the excess parts with different color scheme compared with the VIGNA ZIRAH. They are red and black or gray parts. So what I did is I threw those pieces away because I don't have any use for that. I will not use it for kit bashing. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this simple review of the 1/100 reborn scale of VIGNA ZIRAH from I don't know the series. Anyway, so goodbye, God bless, take care.